What do you do when a native English speaker uses a crazy expression and you can't understand? You have to study the expression in context. I'm here to help. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study common expressions in English. I don't buy it. Tina and Dave are walking through the park. They're discussing a new diet trend. I read about this new diet trend online. It says you can lose weight just by eating fruits and vegetables without exercising. Really? That sounds too good to be true. Yeah, but there are so many testimonials from people who say it worked for them. Hmm, I don't know. I think I'd have to do some more research before trying it. What's the matter? You don't think it could work? I don't buy it. I think a balanced diet and exercise are still the best way to lose weight. Quiz time! What does "I don't buy it" mean? I don't spend money. I don't like it. I don't have money. I'm not convinced. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's D. I'm not convinced. Teaching moment. David wasn't convinced by the new diet trend that Tina mentioned. He used the expression, "I don't buy it," to express his skepticism and disbelief about the diet without exercise. She did not convince him that it would work. Buy in this case doesn't really mean anything. It's just an expression without logic. We need to use it in context. Examples. The manager didn't buy the employee's excuse for being late to work. She didn't buy the politician's promises during the election campaign. He didn't buy the idea that you could become fluent in a language in just 3 months. My friend said he saw a UFO in his backyard last night. I don't buy it. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Too good to be true. Looks perfect, but probably not. Testimonials. Reviews. What's the matter? What's wrong? Skepticism. Questioning everything. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.